In this video, I will be showing you how to use Canva in Chatgpt. Let's get started. To begin, I navigate to the top left corner of the screen and click on the sidebar icon to expand my menu. From the available options on the left panel, I locate and click on Plugins. This opens up the plugin directory, where I can explore and manage different integrations available for ChatGPT. Next, I scroll down past the featured and productivity sections until I reach the creativity category. Here, I see the Canva plugin, which allows me to create, review, and edit visual designs directly through chat. I click on the Canva card to open its overview, and then I click on the Install Plugin button in the upper right. An authorization window appears asking ChatGPT for access to connect with my Canva account. I review the listed access permissions and click on the Allow button at the bottom. Once the authorization is confirmed, the page redirects back to ChatGPT, and a green badge displays indicating that Canva is successfully installed. Now, I click on the Try and Chat button to launch a new chat session with the Canva plugin active. A prompt is automatically placed into the input box to create social media posts based on an October campaign brief, and I click the Send button. ChatGPT replies asking for details, so I move to the message bar, type in Create Your Own, and submit the prompt. ChatGPT communicates with Canva in real time, searching templates, planning the layout, and assembling the text and visuals. Once the generation process finishes, ChatGPT presents a preview of the newly generated October social media post right inside the chat window. I click directly on the generated design preview to inspect it in a larger window, and then I click the Open in Canva button in the top right corner. This opens the design inside the Canva editor in a new tab, giving me full control over every layer. From here, I can click on the background to adjust the solid color palette, select and edit text boxes, or reposition the photo element to make any final touches. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to use Canva in ChatGPT.